Quick update on the 69 Charge RT SE. So we've got the trunk pan out and the weld through primer. All my holes are drilled. It's been put in, it's been screwed in, it's been where it needs to be. Next time it goes in, it'll be in there for good. So I nailed all my frame rails, pounded them with epoxy primer, and then I got them with the U-Pull Gold, SEM, that's what it is, SEM weld through primer. It's okay, it works. Yeah, it oversprayed and covered all the epoxy primer down in the inside, but everything's epoxy primed. We've had the whole hind end together. It's close. These, the trunk extensions here and my corners, they're challenging to say the least. We're real close with it. They're real close to going in. I got my trunk height where it needs to be. The trunk floor is right. I got my 14.5 inches here per Chris Birdsong. Thank you for that measurement. I really needed that. Yeah, so maybe next time you see it, the whole hind end will be welded together. And this is my cross member, what I did. I put a beefy piece of rectangular tubing and built my shock mounts on that instead of the cheesy flimsy thing these came with from the factory. I'm going to finish weld that once the floor is all screwed in, welded in. Then I'm going to burn them in on that thing so it doesn't pull or twist or move anything anywhere. So this is it so far. It's really close. We are within 1/8 of an inch on everything. We're right on the money with a lot of measurements. Let's see, the one I'm having the most trouble with is this side is about a 1/16 lower than that side. And I'm really not going to sweat it because my measurement is right here on each side. And my measurement on the wheel wells is right on each side. But we're 16th off here, and I'm a 16th off on this marker light hole. So I'm not sweating that. But yeah, there she is. She's coming along really good, and a lot of work. A little bit every day. So, alright, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.